Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use only the keyboard, this keyboard, your computer keyboard or laptop keyboard, to navigate through your computer, through all applications in your computer. Actually, remember this is Windows 11. Yeah, I have Windows 11. So in this scenario, I assume your this touchpad, this sensor on the touchpad doesn't work, and at the same time I don't have a backup mouse, so I assume I don't have this mouse also. So does that mean I'm stuck? No. The good news is you can still use your keyboard to get a lot of things done on your daily routine done, in case you are using working while using a laptop or computer, but you are using a keyboard, right? You don't have a mouse. So the most important buttons, while using navigating using keyboard are these ones. The first one is this tab. So this tab button, one which has backward and forward arrows. Then at the same time we have these buttons, the up, down, forward, next, and then previous, right? So those are the most important buttons navigating while using the keyboard. So assume I want to check on the news. So I'll go to some website to check on the news, what's happening in the world. Then I'll log into I'll check my YouTube or to watch some videos. At the same time, log into my X account or my known-as Twitter, so that I see what's happening in the world. Right. So what I do is very simple. You just press Control Escape, because remember I need a browser, either it's Google Chrome or Firefox, but my favorite is Google Chrome, right? So in order to access Google Chrome, remember I don't have a mouse and my touchpad doesn't work, so I have to press Control Escape. So if I press Control Escape, remember I pressed Control Escape. So if you press Control Escape at the same time, they will bring you this window, right? So this is Microsoft Edge, all the applications which are in my computer, right? My laptop. So basically I need Chrome. So here I'll type in Google Chrome. So just type Chrome. Perfect. Actually just type C, then they brought already Chrome. So then navigate. I need Chrome, so just navigate using these arrows. So I'm going back up. So when I go back up, that's Google Chrome. I need to open Google Chrome, so I'll just press enter. If I press enter, it will bring this window. So they'll tell me who's using Chrome. Okay, let me first put in. So I'll use this tab button to navigate who's using, whether it's area person 1 or I add another guest. So I'll use area. So if area is the one, then I'll just press enter, right? So if you press enter, so this tab will open like this page. So remember I want to check Daily Mail. So if I want to check Daily Mail, I just put in Daily Mail, because I normally use Daily Mail. So I just like that, then I press enter. Let me check the internet. So I don't have the internet. This is the button for the internet. So I don't have internet right now. But if you want to open another tab like here, you want to add another tab so that you can log on to YouTube to see some your favorite videos. So what you do, you just press Control T. That's for opening up another tablet, right? Control T. So let's use this one. Control and then T. It's Control and T. So like that. Control T, then another tab will open up. So another tab, I want to go to YouTube. Type in YouTube, youtube.com. Then after typing in YouTube, then you press enter. The page for YouTube will also come. So I need another tab for I need to open my X account, right, in case I have internet. So just press Control T, right? Just very basic. Control T. You press Control T, of course they will bring you another tab. Then you just press in x.com. Okay, so that's my X account. Like that. Since I don't have internet, they will tell me no internet. So basically like that. So if you want to close everything, it's very also basic, right? If you want to close like this, you want to close everything like that, what you do is just press Alt F4. It's Alt and F4. Yeah, it's F4. Remember F4 is there. So everything will be gone, right? So that's how you can just basically navigate around your computer in case you don't have a mouse or your sensor has issues. Yeah, that's how you can access all your applications in your laptop, right? So don't get stuck. So you can just use those basic techniques so that you keep moving. All right, thanks for watching.